What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website, coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central, here in Wisconsin. Just a reminder, for tomorrow night, we have the new Bowman signatures up for 10 p.m. Eastern. Then we have the dual Topps Tier 1 baseball for 11, and then the nightcapper midnight playbook. Got spots available for all those breaks, so if you want to get some excitement tomorrow, get on and get your spots. Here is the roster for tonight's 2011 Panini Prestige. And box for tonight. This one's 24 packs, 8 cards per pack. And there's 4 autograph or memorabilia cards. Checklist. Alright. Start on the right side, work our way down. And since there's so many cards, we're going to go through them pretty quick. Take our time on the hits and the numbered cards. Up first, Ravens, TJ Hushmanzada. Packers, Jordy Nelson. Bears, Brian Urlacher. Spacer. Saints, Martez Wilson. Packers, DJ Williams. Patriots, Wes Welker. Niners, Josh Morgan. And Saints, Pierre Thomas. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Browns, Colt McCoy. Cardinals, Tim Hightower. Spacer. Inside the numbers, Maurice Jones-Drew for Jacksonville. No number on that card. J.J. Watt for the Texans. Lewis Murphy for Raiders. Bo Scaife, Titans. And Darrell Revis for the Jets. Broncos, Tim Tebow. Bills, Fred Jackson. Texans, Arian Foster. And we have Spacer. Chargers, Jordan Todman, giraffe card. Rookie for the Eagles, Stanley Haveli. Rams, James Laurinaitis. Dolphins, Devon Bess. And Steelers, Heath Miller. Still looking for that first hit. Texans, Jacoby Jones. Bears, Johnny Knox. Jags, Mike Thomas. Spacer. Draft, Shane Vereen of the Patriots. Andy Dalton, rookie Bengals card. Brandon Jacobs of the Giants. Jets, LaDainian Tomlinson. And the Rams, Steven Jackson. Cowboys, Des Bryant. Packers, Ryan Grant. Bears, Devin Hester. And we got a Spacer. Rookie, Blaine Gabbert. Interesting card. Rookie for the Falcons, Julio Jones. And that Blaine Gabbert is for the Jags. Adrian Peterson for the Vikings. James Harrison, Steelers. And Brandon Merriweather for the Patriots. Still looking for the first hit. Jags, David Garrard. Browns, Josh Cribbs. Falcons, Curtis Lofton. Spacer. Mike McNeil, a rookie free agent. I have to look up who he's playing for. Steelers, Cameron Hayward. Chargers, Mike Tolbert. Saints, Drew Brees. And Niners, Michael Crabtree. Still looking for the first hit. Right side's not looking too good. Oh, I think we might have found our first one. Jags, David Garrard. Browns, Josh Cribbs. Falcons, Curtis Lofton. There is the first hit. This one is going to the Giants. On-card rookie autograph, Jarrell Jernigan. And it is on the giraffe card. It's pretty cool. And he's definitely on card. Let's see if we have a serial number. No, we do not. Still a cool card going to Joseph W. Spacers next. Giants, Ahmad Bradshaw. Bills, Marcel Darius. Saints, Reggie Bush. Niners, Vernon Davis. Titans, Chris Johnson. Lions, Brandon Pettigrew. Bills, Lee Evans. Texans, Brian Cushing. Spacer. Giants dual card, Brandon Jacobs, Steve Smith. Rookie for the Titans, Colin McCarty. Jets, Dustin Keller. Rams, Sam Bradford. And Dolphins, Ronnie Brown. Bears, Jay Cutler. Jags, Mike Walker. Jets, Dustin Keller. Prestigious Pros. This one's numbered 13 out of 100. And then we have Spacer. Another Prestigious Pros. Chad Haney. The Dolphins. No number on that one. Lions rookie, Mikel LeSure. Steelers, Hines Ward. Patriots, Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. And Chargers, Malcolm Floyd. Bears, Greg Olson. Broncos, Eddie Royal. And there is the second hit of the box. Cameron Jordan, a rookie autograph. First round pick, 24th overall. And it is a Saints card numbered 435 out of 599. The Saints are going to Jaime. Nice rookie auto there. First round draft pick, Cameron Jordan. It was going to the Saints. Spacer. Jay Cutler for the Bears. Dion Lewis for the Eagles. Aaron Hernandez for the Patriots. Darren Sproles for the Chargers. And Tom Brady for the Patriots. Ravens, Ray Rice. Packers, Greg Jennings. Panthers, Steve Smith. Spacer. Ravens, Ray Rice. This one is numbered 8 out of 250. That one is going to Rigoberto. Phil Taylor for the Browns. Frank Gore for the Niners. Redskins, Chris Cooley. And Raiders, Darius Hayward-Bay. Last pack down the right side, so this is pack number 12. Colts, Peyton Manning. Browns, Benjamin Watson. Cardinals, Steve Beresin. Spacer. Prestigious Pros, Julius Peppers of the Bears, no number on that one. Alden Smith for the Niners, Michael Williams for the Bucks, Braylon Edwards for the Jets, and Donnie Avery for the Rams. Halfway down, 2 hits down, 2 to go. Bolden for the Ravens, Ndamukong Suh for the Lions, Maurice Jones-Drew for the Jags, Spacer, draft card Jake Locker for the Titans, rookie DeAndre Brown, free agent, have to look that one up, Rashard Mendenhall for the Steelers, Deion Branch Patriots, and Ryan Matthews for the Chargers. Browns, Peyton Hillis. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Lions, Javid Best. Spacer, Jimmy Clausen for the Panthers. Daniel Thomas for the Dolphins. Marquez Colston, Saints. Alex Smith, Niners. And Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants. Bills, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Texans, Kevin Walter. Bears, Julius Pepper. Spacer, Alden Smith, Niners rookie. Owen Marisick, Cleveland Browns rookie. Justin Forsett, Seahawks. Eli Manning, Giants. And Marshawn Lynch for the Seahawks. Chiefs, Brandon Flowers. Cowboys, Felix Jones. Falcons, Tony Gonzalez. And then for the Broncos, rookie review, Tim Tebow patch. Cool card. That one is going to Clayton. Doesn't look like there is a number on that one, but still a cool card. Matt Ryan for the Falcons. Stephen Piella for the Bears. Barrett Ruud for the Buccaneers. Jared Allen for the Vikings. And Mike Wallace for the Steelers. Falcons, Roddy White. Lions, Nate Burleson. Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Spacer, Lions, Mikel LeShort. Rams, Robert Quinn. Titans, Nate Washington. Jets, Santonio Holmes. And Bucks, Josh Freeman. Three hits down, 1 to go. Colts, Austin Collie. Bengals, Carson Palmer. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. And it looks like we found our 4th and final hit. Dual jersey patch, 2 different colors for the Cowboys, Dez Bryant and Miles Austin. Very cool card. This one is going to Joseph W. Jr. And it's numbered 87 out of 250. One more look at that one. Very nice. Dolphins, Mike Pouncey. Rams, Austin Pettis. Giants, Kevin Boss. Seahawks, Mike Williams. And Dolphins, Anthony Fasano. Cowboys, Miles Austin. Ravens, Ed Reed. Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Spacer, Colin McCarthy, Titans. Chiefs, Justin Houston. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. Redskins, Santana Moss. And Eagles, Brent Selleck. Panthers, Mike Goodson. Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware. Falcons, Michael Turner. Spacer, Redskins, Chris Cooley. Cameron Jordan for the Saints. Ryan Terrain for the Redskins. Jacoby Ford, the Raiders. And Kenny Britt for the Titans. 4 packs to go. Ravens Matthew Stafford, Bills Stevie Johnson, Texans Matt Schaub, Spacer. Dual card, Arian Foster, Jamal Charles, so left to right, then we'll go to the Texans. Mark Herzlich, rookie free agent. Look that one up. Mark Sanchez for the Jets. Cadillac Williams for the Bucks, and Hakeem Nicks for the Giants. Bears Matt Forte, Chiefs Dexter McCluster, Cowboys Jason Witten, Spacer, Prestigious Pros D'Angelo Hall for the Redskins, Chargers Corey Luget, Matt Hasselbeck Seahawks, Chiefs Tony Mioki, and Vikings Percy Harvin. Bears Earl Bennett, Jags Mercedes Lewis, Browns Muhammad Massaquoi, Spacer, Ryan Whalen for the Bengals, Colts Drake Nevis, Danny Woodhead for the Patriots, Chargers Phillip Rivers, and Saints Lance Moore. And last up, Falcons Jason Snelling, Lions Kelvin Johnson Jr., Bills Roscoe Parrish, Spacer, Neil Washington Titans Prestigious Pros, rookie Rob Hostler for the Cardinals, Patrick Willis for the Niners, Saints Robert Meacham, and Seahawks John Carlson. Thanks again, everybody, for getting in the break. Remember, we got a lot of action for tomorrow night, so check back often and get your spots. Good night, guys.